yeah.
We just go down for fun.
For fun?
Yeah.
Nothing's for fun, it's all serious. No, I live on the road.
Oh, you live on the boat?
Oh, yeah.
Cool. You just got one of those long...
Well, no, it's not bad. It's like 30 minutes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So how far up is it?
About half a mile. The river.
Yeah.
Smile for the camera, sir.
Yeah.
Geese, they all come round here and they winter down here. From the
Oh, okay.
Arctic. Yeah.
They're hauling coal.
Are they?